How to show or hide birthdays in calendar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Next, in here, we go down and tap on calendars. And then in here, go to the account that you are using. So if the account that you are using does not have birthdays, then you can go down to the other section. So make sure you expand other. So tap on other, and down here tap on birthdays. Make sure the radio box is selected. So just tap on it and make sure there is a checkbox. And once it is added, it will show any birthday date in your calendar. Now, if you are using other accounts such as Outlook, they also have birthdays option, so you can choose to select that, or you can deselect it, and you can choose to use only birthdays from your local calendar. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.